Hi, my name is Diamond. I am on the Creator Growth team. And my favorite creator is Auntie Jackie Ayana. She is my favorite on LCK and on socials. Just because she keeps it real, she's very luxurious, she's very funny, and she's very much herself. So
Hi, I'm Erica Jack. I'm on the BP marketing team. And my favorite LTK creator is a low profile because I love her style and I love her home decor as well.
Hi, my name is Liberty, and I'm on the brand platform team, and my favorite creator is Courtney Grow.
Hi, my name is Carolina from the platform team, and my favorite creator is Kat, aka Taylor of Two Cities, because she's super authentic and I love the things she does from different size profiles.
Hey, my name is Lauren, and I am on the marketing, automation, and CRM team at LTK. And my favorite LTK creator is Anna Page, Anna W. Page, LTK Shop. And I just love her content because she's so chic. She's putting out all my Blair Waldorf Upper West Side drinks. I love her.
Hi, my name is Rachel Blair. I'm a product designer on the brand platform team, and my favorite creator is Authentically Bee because I love her style and her content.